Hi guys, today before the video I just want to take a few seconds to share with you that we have been included as one of the top performance channels here in Australia, and we got invited to do an interview where we talk about all our journey on YouTube, how it is possible to start on YouTube. We talk about how to turn something that you like to do in a business, how we have reached 1 million followers across 2 channels, and we give you our best tips to have a successful channel on YouTube. I will leave you a link in the top right corner of this video and in the description box as well. I would really appreciate if you watch the video, give it a like, and you can leave as well your comments and questions, and I will be replying them all. So now let's start with today's video. Hi, I'm Marcela. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this cute and beautiful hairstyle. I think it's perfect for any special occasion, for First Communion, so I hope you like it. If so, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so you won't miss out any of our videos. Let's start. As always, I'm going to prepare the hair with our golden treatment. I'm going to apply just 1 drop all along the hair. I like to apply it especially in the ends. It will be so easy to detangle the hair. It will be so shiny, healthy, and ready to start doing our hairstyle. Okay, we're going to separate the hair in half. So I'm going to do a division from ear to ear, passing a little down below the crown, as you can see, and I'm going to use a comb to make the division perfect. Okay, comb the hair, and we should have something like this. Now I'm going to hold the top section with a regular bend, and I'm going to hold this section of hair for a while. With the bottom section, I'm going to comb it upwards, and we're going to do 2 divisions, 1 on each side of the head. Now I'm doing the other one. Perfect. And with the middle section, I'm going to comb the hair and we're going to add it to the top ponytail. I'm going to hold the hair with an elastic. You can use any color because at the end it will be hidden. Now I'm going to hold the hair again on the top, and I'm going to start braiding with this section of hair. You can spray the hair a little bit with hairspray so it will be smooth. I'm going to start by picking up a tiny piece of hair from the bottom, split it into 3 equal pieces, and we're going to do a Dutch braid. In here, I'm going to start adding hair to the braid from this side. Again, cross the strands under the middle one, and add a tiny piece of hair from this side to the braid. We're going to do the braid all along this division, and if it's not easy for you doing the braid in this position, you can ask your girl lay down on the bed or something more comfortable for her. Now we can keep braiding until we add the remaining hair. Perfect. When we finish, we can hold the braid with an elastic. I'm going to hold the hair, the remaining hair as well, with the top section. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the braid from the right side. Perfect, I'm finishing here, and when we have both of the braids, we can let down the hair from the top. I'm going to grab the ponytail, and we're going to add both of the braids to this section of hair. I'm going to hold everything with a regular bend. For the next step, we will need a piece of ribbon. I have this one. This one is like 1 centimeter wide, and I'm going to use this big needle, or you can use as well a topsy tail. If you can get a ribbon that is thinner than this one, like 5 millimeters, it will be so much better. I would like it more if the ribbon is thinner, but I just had this one, so we will work it out. I'm going to start passing the needle from the inside of the braid to the outside, like this. And now I'm going to pass the ribbon on the other side. In here, I'm going to join both of the ends of the ribbon, and we're going to make sure that the length is the same for both of the sides. In here, I'm going to fix the ribbon a little bit, so I'm going to fold it in half. And we're going to keep doing like a zigzag. As you can see, it's a big one, so the stitches will have to be separated. Perfect. Now that we have this one, I'm going to grab the other piece of ribbon, and we have to complete the stitches doing like a corset. When we finish, we were going to do double knot to hold the ribbon in place and cut the remaining piece. Now I'm gonna need a bun maker. I'm going to use this one. If you don't have it, now we have it on the shop. I'm going to leave you the link in the top right corner of the video. In here I'm using the size L. Pass the hair through the loop of the bun maker. And now with the hair, we're going to cover it. I'm going to comb the hair and make sure that everything is covered. And hold the bun with 1 or 2 elastic bands. With the remaining hair, we're going to wrap it around the bun. And I'm going to hold it with bun pins. You can use bobby pins as well. In here, you can spray the hair again with hairspray and fix all the flyaways. To finish, I'm going to decorate this hairstyle with this beautiful accessory that you can find now on our shop. I'm going to leave you a link as well in the top right corner. Place it around the bun, and I'm going to do a bow with the remaining ribbons. And this is the final result. It looks so beautiful, and if you want, you can hide the ribbon underneath the bun as well. Okay guys, this is all for today. I really hope you like this hairstyle. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well, and see you on the next video. Bye!
Bye!